Artificial intelligence in healthcare seems unstoppable, from diagnosing diseases to scheduling appointments. But here's the twist. General AI might be amazing at writing poetry, but when it comes to making life or death medical decisions, it's about as useful as bringing a spoon to a surgery.
That's such an interesting perspective. I've been reading about how some tech enthusiasts think general AI could take over everything in healthcare. But there must be crucial differences we're not considering.
You know what's fascinating about this whole debate? It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a surgical scalpel. The Swiss Army knife is great for camping, but you wouldn't want your surgeon using one. Medical AI requires an entirely different level of precision and specialization.
That's a powerful analogy. Could you break down what makes medical AI so fundamentally different?
Well, it comes down to the training data and stakes involved. Medical AI systems are trained on meticulously curated datasets. We're talking millions of expert annotated medical images and verified patient records. When a general AI makes a mistake writing a poem, you might get some weird verses. When medical AI makes a mistake, well, lives are literally at stake.
So if we're looking at the training process, general AI is basically learning from the entire internet, right? That seems like it could be problematic for medical applications.
Exactly. Think about all the medical misinformation floating around online. A general AI trained on that data would be like having a doctor who learned medicine from social media posts. Medical AI, on the other hand, goes through rigorous validation processes and is trained on verified clinical data.
That makes me think about those AI hallucinations we keep hearing about. How dangerous would that be in a medical context?
Oh man, imagine an AI hallucinating during a cancer diagnosis. That's why medical AI systems have to go through intense FDA scrutiny and clinical trials, just like new drugs. We're talking about years of testing and validation before they can be used in practice.
You know what's really interesting about this? It seems like we're not just talking about different types of AI, but completely different approaches to technology development.
That's right, and here's something that often gets overlooked. Medical AI is designed to augment healthcare professionals, not replace them. It's what we call the human-in-the-loop approach. Studies show that combining human expertise with AI assistance produces better results than either alone.
Let's talk about the practical applications. Where is general AI actually useful in healthcare?
Well, general AI is making a huge impact in administrative tasks, scheduling, paperwork, summarizing medical literature. But here's the key. It's handling tasks where a mistake won't harm patients. For actual medical decisions, that's where specialized medical AI comes in, working alongside human doctors.
That really puts things in perspective. How do you see this evolving in the future?
The future is fascinating. We're seeing the emergence of hybrid systems that combine the efficiency of general AI for administrative tasks with the precision of medical AI for clinical decisions. But here's what's crucial: maintaining those rigorous standards and regulatory oversight for anything touching patient care.
So it's not about choosing between different types of AI, but finding the right tool for each specific job?
Exactly. And you know what's really exciting? We're starting to see medical schools incorporating AI training into their curricula. Future doctors won't just need to understand medicine, they'll need to know how to effectively work with these AI tools as partners in care.
That's going to fundamentally change healthcare delivery, isn't it?
Without a doubt. But here's the bottom line. The future of healthcare isn't about AI replacing humans or general AI replacing specialized medical AI. It's about creating a healthcare ecosystem where each type of technology plays to its strengths, all in service of better patient care.
That really helps put everything in perspective. It sounds like we're moving toward a more integrated approach rather than a one-size-fits-all solution.
You've got it. And that's really the key takeaway. The future of healthcare technology isn't about replacement, it's about enhancement. Each tool, whether it's general AI or specialized medical AI, has its place in making healthcare more efficient, accurate, and ultimately more human-centered.